All right, this is the Quizlet Glaciers test. Number one, ice sheet much larger than an alpine glacier and covers large land masses such as Greenland or Antarctica. Is that A, zone of ablation, B, advancing glacier, C, continental glacier, D, retreating glacier? Number two, a long ridge of gravel and other sediment, typically having a winding course deposited by meltwater from a retreating glacier or ice sheet. Is that A, crevasse, B, esker, C, an errat, D, glacier? Number three, long parallel scratches into rock due to the abrasion action of glaciers traveling over them. Is that A, erratic, B, kettle lake, C, striations, or D, drumlin? Number four, a crack or series of cracks that open in the surface of a moving glacier in response to differential stresses caused by glacier flow. Is that A, erratic, B, a crevasse, C, moraine, D, glacier? Number five, a bowl-shaped amphitheater-like depression eroded into the head or side of a glacial valley. Is it A, erratic, B, glacier, C, errat, D, cirque? Number six, a glacier where the edge moves forward in a year because more snow is added than melts away. Is that A, alpine glacier, B, advancing glacier, C, retreating glacier, D, paternoster lakes? Number seven, a glacier where the edge moves back in a year because more snow has melted than has been added. Is that A, advancing glacier, B, continental glacier, C, alpine glacier, D, retreating glacier? Number eight, when a large chunk of glacial ice gets buried in sediments and then later melts to form a large depression where the ice used to be. Is that A, striations, B, a crevasse, C, kettle lake, D, outwash plain? Number nine, a deposit of till resulting in a ridge on the landscape. Is that A, a moraine, B, an errat, C, erratic, D, glacier? Number 10, unsorted sediment deposited by a glacier when it melts. Is that A, horn, B, errat, C, moraine, or D, till? Number 11, streamlined hills of glacial till that have steep sides and indicate the direction glaciers flowed. Is that A, striations, B, erratic, C, drumlin, D, a moraine? Number 12, the deep and widened valley that results from a glacier plowing through. Is that A, outwash plain, B, zone of ablation, C, alpine glacier, D, U-shaped valley? 13, a flat landscape made from sorted sediments that wash down the glacier from meltwater streams. A, outwash plain, B, advancing glacier, C, kettle lake, D, retreating glacier? Number 14, the end of a glacier. Is that A, moraine, B, a crevasse, C, terminus, D, drumlin? Number 15, a glacier that forms in high elevation mountain areas. Is that A, retreating glacier, B, advancing glacier, C, alpine glacier, or D, paternoster lakes? Number 16, when the glacial valley extends below sea level and connects to the ocean. Is that A, fjord, B, errat, C, horn, or D, moraine? Number 17, narrow ridge that separates two adjacent glacial cirques. A, esker, B, errat, C, moraine, or D, cirque? Number 18, a large mass of naturally formed ice on land that moves downhill due to gravity. A, esker, B, moraine, C, erratic, D, glacier? 19, a chain or series of lake in a glacial valley. A, alpine glacier, B, retreating glacier, C, advancing glacier, D, paternoster lakes? 20, a lake that developed in the basin of a cirque. Is that A, a tarn, B, a roche mountainée, C, till, or D, horn? 21. A large boulder transported by a glacier that does not fit into the rest of the landscape. Is that A, striations, B, a drumlin, C, an erratic, D, glacier? 22. A formation created by the passing of a glacier. Is that A tarn, B, a Roche mountain, C, a paternoster lake, or D, alpine glacier? 23. Where the ice melts in a glacier because snowfall is less than melting. Is it A, U-shaped valley, B, advancing glacier, C, zone of accumulation, D, zone of ablation? 24. A pointed mountain peak, typically pyramidal in shape, bounded by 3 or more cirques. Is that A, till, B, a fjord, C, a moraine, or D, a horn? And 25. Where ice builds up in a glacier because snowfall is greater than melting. A, continental glacier, B, U-shaped valley, C, zone of ablation, D, zone of accumulation.